Sausage. Yes, yes, yes. The next question. Rihanna, USA, The Lovers. How I come to you from USA? One man tell me that you are one who know the secret. Yes, you must come to me in airplane. In airplane and must find me. I'm live in my castle with 3 dogs and 4 cats. Understand? And very small people. Very small people live with me, and my castle is over the hill and far away. Understand? Okay? Lady Gaga, the Emperor. My father don't talk to me, why? Thank you, Magic Milan. Okay? Let me see. You? Answer to Lady Gaga. Your father don't talk to you cause your father is very angry man and very strong man. The situation will be better at next year. Okay? Let me see the next question. Cleo packing the Hierophant. Who will found the Alexander the Great treasure? Okay, let me see the Alexander the Great treasure. Nobody found this treasure, but the treasure of Alexander the Great will find one man who know the secret. Okay, greetings to you. The next question. Boulevard Niche. Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this the love I've been searching for? Yes, yes. His love is in the air, and Coverdale is a good singer. Yes. Love. What you feeling is the love, and what you searching for is the love. Understand? Okay. For you, a new career is better than you go in other country. Understand? You are very high potential. Okay. The next question. Misfits, Tucson, Oklahoma, the star, Magic Milan, who win NBA 2012? Okay, let me see. It's very important question. For the victory of the NBA of this year. The winner is... The winner is... The winner of this season of the NBA is... the very old club. Everybody heard for this club. It's very long tradition. This club wear the purple dress code. The winner is LA Lakers! Ta-da-da-da-da-da! p.m. Be with Magic Milan.